Okay, we moved into this place 2.5 years ago, and I didn't even think about it. Maybe we should wash the washing machine before we did that. No. So today I'm washing the washing machine, and oh my god, just putting vinegar in it and hot water and standing over it while it mixed, just to make sure, the swivel is working and everything. The smell is horrid. Like, oh my god, look at this. That's disgusting. So yeah, here is your reminder. Go and wash your washing machine, especially if it's a top loader. Wash that shit. You have no idea what's in it.